Silas here, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be playing Crashy Cats. I love cats, just for the record, and seeing this game in the App Store, it looks pretty cool. I think it's like one of those speed run games, like Subway Surf, from the trailer I seen. The trailer, and how it looks right now, and the pictures in the App Store. So without further ado, let's just get started with this. Can I double jump? Okay, I can. More cat friends. Oh no, the flying dogs attacked us. Except, let's see. Yay, coins. Okay, let's try this again. This game is very destructive. I keep running into these dogs. This actually, because I like this game. It's really adorable. I've knocked down my owner. This is a very bold cat. Wait, what happened? Alright, I suck at this game already. The goal to this, I believe, is just to crash into everything. I miss my cat friend. Never mind, he said that. Oh, so if okay, I get it. I wish I could knock down the toilets. Rocket dog. What's all these dogs just messing me up? Down with the dogs. The cats rule. The cats will one day take over the world. And when they do, the society will be a much cuter place. Down with the dog. Cats unite. Oh no, Mr. Cake. I'm really liking this game. More cat friends. No. Oops. Alright, like this game. Rampage, destroy. Oh, that's cool. I really like that. You see this little funny little cat right there. I really like this. This is cool. I can't stop saying that, but it is. It's kind of ironic that sometimes this is true, when like cats just rampage sometimes. I can imagine this. I have a cat of my own, and sometimes she rampages also. There's derpy picture of this cat. Oh, what is this at? This is an ad. No thanks. For first, I thought the game was gonna crash. I was just like, no. And then it was just an ad. Okay. Too many of my videos that I tried to record crash. So, I don't know what I would do if this crashed. Come on! There was a golden piggy bank right there. Like, really? Did you really have to miss? But what ifs? I think I didn't knock over that computer. My goal is to destroy everything and jump on every dog I see. Dogs will have a downfall. Cats are the new man's best friend. People can't see that for some reason. People these days. Dogs are okay. Oh, come on. This cat looks like a flying squirrel. So if you hear stuff in the background, it's me adjusting my mic. It's much better thing. I like this music. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, because most of the time when I use a mic, you can't hear the music. But hopefully you can, because I like the music right on there. It's like really good. Good, I destroyed some dogs while I was at it. Oh, come on. Why? You cannot tell me this cat does not look like a flying squirrel. Alright, we're going to just one more time before I have to end the video. Crashy Cats is a very fun game, I must admit. Just seeing a cute orange tabby is quite amusing. Just destroying things. I just know something. Why would a house have like a freaking huge gap in the wall? Alright. This is the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If I get any more, if you guys want to watch me play this again. I can't speak right now. Watch me play this again, then put in the comments. But for now, I'm out. Silas out.